Hello, my name is Peter Bider from Marine 16. We're doing a series of presentations on diesel, how we get it, what's changed, and why we have problems now. Let's take ourselves back 25, 30 years ago and look at 1 barrel of crude oil. Typically, it would come from an oil field in the North Sea, for example. It was what's known as Brent Sweet Crude. Its sulfur content was about 0.37%. It would go through a standard fractional distillation unit, and we would get about 40% finished product from that 1 barrel, of which we would get gas oil. Sulfur content is the same, 0.37%. It wasn't taken out, nobody was worried about it. It would then go on to your end user, be it agriculture, marine, industry, or whatever. Flash forward now to where we are, 2020s. That 1 barrel comes from global oil fields, Saudi Arabia, Russia, Venezuela. It comes from places deemed poor quality and uneconomical in the 80s. They now have to drill deeper, but they have to drill horizontally to get to the actual wells. What they get out is a sour crude. Its sulfur content is about 3%. It has to go through many more processes, not just the fractional distillation, many more processes, and in the end, we now get 90% finished product from that 1 barrel of what is now sour crude. That is 50% more than we were getting in the 80s. It still goes through a fractional distillation unit. It goes through a hydrodesulfurization unit, a hydrocracking unit, a unification. It goes through fluid catalytic cracking. It goes through many more processes, not just those, to get in the end a low sulfur distillate, ultra low sulphur diesel of 0.001%, 10 ppm. Now, bearing in mind that's come from 3% to 0.001%. That crude oil has been refined to within an inch of its life to give us the diesel. It is highly unstable. It lacks a lubricant because the inherent lubricity has been taken out of the diesel, and it leaves deposits. If you Google IDID, internal diesel injector deposits, Google that, you'll see there's a lot on fuel deposits on the web. It then goes to what's called a distribution gate. I've always liked that terminology or that example. And from there it goes to become marine gas oil, A2 red diesel, EN 590 in the retail sector. Who are we? Marine 16, we specialize in fuel management systems. We've been proven #1 diesel bug killer by a practical boat owner. We design and manufacture here in the UK. Our diesel bug treatment has OEM approval. That bottom left-hand picture there with that worm coming out of that valve is actually diesel bug. It came from a fishing boat in the North Sea. Very interesting photograph, and it stopped the boat, and they had to be pulled in by the RNLI, the lifeboat service. Our other premium additive, diesel fuel complete, this completely eliminates the problems of modern diesel. It has lubricity, it has a detergent in there, and it has what we also call is a cetane number, because cetane eventually degrades, and the cetane number is put back with this one. If you've enjoyed this presentation, press like. If you want to see more, please subscribe. We are doing, as I say, a number of them, and yeah, see you on the next one. Thanks a lot, folks.